wish that your skin could just start looking amazing? Do you wish that you could just get up, look in the mirror, and you're actually pleased with the way your skin is looking? Do you wish that you could take years off you, like just shrivel off 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years off your skin? Well, guess what? I personally think that that is possible. It do takes a little work, okay? It do takes a little work. And what you need to do is to get some beauty products that are rich in vitamins and minerals that can help to transform your skin. My skin personally look way better than when I was in my 30s. And guess what? I use some homemade remedies and some amazing anti-aging beauty products. This is one that I personally make in the kitchen for myself using my own natural ingredient. It's an anti-aging facial moisturizer that I use on my skin daily to help to transform my skin, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and help to boost the collagen production in the skin. Let me show you something really, really quick. So I take the moisturizer and I like to just apply it on my skin like that. You can also put this in your hands, and I like to be generous with this moisturizer. So I just apply the moisturizer on my face like that. Then I just go back in with my hands and I start to massage it on my skin. I massage this moisturizer all over and I focus on my deep laugh lines. I focus on my upper lips, focus on my forehead, and I just press this moisturizer in my skin like that. I just press it in my skin, and I also take this moisturizer down on my neck, on my décolleté. Now once that is done, I go back in and I massage my face with the moisturizer. I just lift, look at that, look at that, look at that. I just lift, 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 lift. Just go back in, and today I'm only gonna massage the upper side of my face for you to see. So I just massage my forehead, I go in my laugh lines, and I just lift it up. Just lift those areas on my face, my sagging jawline. I just lift with that moisturizer. And take a look. This is the side I just massaged with my amazing moisturizer. And this is the side that I didn't. You can clearly see the difference. Look how this just wake my skin up. Look how this just have my skin looking amazing. Check out my laugh line here and check out my laugh line there. Look at that, guys. This is a must try. This is not permanent. It's temporary when it comes onto the lip, but getting rid of the wrinkles and fine lines and boosting the collagen and getting your skin to look naturally younger and fresher, all real. So I'm going to share this recipe with you because oh my goodness, guys, look at that. This is just instant transformation. This is like my 30-year-old, and this is like my 50 years old. Now look at that. Now look at that. To make our vitamin C serum, our first ingredient is orange peel, and this is dried orange peel. We're using the orange peel for its vitamin C properties. Now what I did with the orange peel, I blended it to a powder. And take a look, here I have the blended orange peel. So what we're going to do with this orange peel, we're going to actually make a gel. So we're using about a teaspoon of the orange peel powder. If you have fresh orange peel, you can use it in this recipe. Second ingredient is flax seeds, and here we have some flax seeds rich in protein, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. So we're using a tablespoon of the flax seeds, adding this to the pot along with the orange peel. Next, we're going to reach for some water, and we're going to pour about a cup of water in the pot with the flaxseed and the orange peel. And we're going to let this come to a complete boil. So we're boiling orange peel and flaxseed together. This is going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes or so. Just keep stirring as we're showing here. Stirring your flax seeds and your orange peel, and this have an amazing fragrance to it. So keep stirring. Now after about 3 minutes or so, we are going to remove this from the stove top. So now as soon as we remove it from the stove top, we're going to strain, and you want to strain this while it's still very much hot, since it's going to start to form a gel-like consistency once it started to cool down. So here we have our base for our anti-aging collagen boosting vitamin C moisturizer. Now we're going to give this a stir, and this is going to start to form a gel-like consistency basically right away. So while it's still warm, we're going to add some oils to this. Now I'm going to be using some avocado oil. Now here are some options. You have grapeseed oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and even sweet almond oil. So I'm going to be using about 2 teaspoons of avocado oil. We're going to mix this in. Now we're using the avocado oil because it's rich in vitamin A. Vitamin A reduces wrinkles and boosts collagen. It also contains vitamin C, which help to brighten the skin, and vitamin E, which help to hydrate the skin. So now that we have our avocado oil, I'm going to be reaching for my vitamin A capsule. Now I know some of you cannot get this capsule, but if you take a look on the ingredient on my capsule, it said soybean oil. So if you do not have these capsules, go ahead and use some soybean oil. I'm going to be using about 3 in this recipe. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to squeeze. That's one is just spewing out. So we squeeze about 3 and we're going to toss. Now, when it comes on to vitamin A is very strong. Do not use it directly on the skin. Always just to mix it with other ingredient like we're doing here today. And vitamin A is really retinol. So here we have vitamin A and we have avocado oil with our, here using the soy oil, use about a teaspoon of the soybean oil in this recipe. Now before we put this away to form a gel-like consistency, we're going to be blending. So pour this in your blender. If you do not have a blender for this recipe, you can go ahead and you can use a whisk. So now we're going to cover and we are going to blend. Now after blending, we're going to pour this out. And now we're going to add our final ingredient, and this is going to be aloe vera gel. We're using about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. We're pouring this in, and you might be wondering why didn't we blend the aloe vera gel in the mixture. I do not like to blend it in. I like to add it after. And take a look at this. This is your facial moisturizer. Just look how creamy this is. Look how thick, look how rich this is. Now you can choose to add a bit of a vitamin E, and let me add a little bit of a vitamin E to this mixture. It's going to help to preserve it and help to keep it a little longer. About a half a teaspoon depending on your IU. This is 35,000 IU. So we're going to just mix that vitamin E in. This is amazing, guys. This one is a must try. Once you have the ingredient for this, it's a must try. So mix and mix well. Let me come up close for you to see this. Okay, look at that. Look at your anti-aging facial moisturizer. It's just an amazing moisturizer. Now let me reach for a storage jar. And we're just going to pour this in the storage jar. And this is it, your anti-aging vitamin C, vitamin A facial moisturizer. A moisturizer that's going to help to transform your skin. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 to 10 days. Now I'm going to do not click off. I'm going to show you how to use this on your skin for best result.